All right, I have a quick demo for today. It is 7:40 and I want to very quickly show you this workflow that I'm coming up with for extracting the PDF highlights into an org file with Python. So I was at the playground yesterday and it was pretty cold. I had my gloves on and I was reading a PDF of Prot's configuration on my iPad. I printed it out to PDF using Chrome on the iPad, I guess, and I had shared it with Noteful so that I could highlight things. So I can then export that as a PDF, and the highlights look like the whole thing is like 481 pages long. So I'm only at about 200 pages in so far, but I like the way that I could just add little highlights like this one, right? So every time I notice something interesting that I might want to add to my config or follow up on or ask about, I highlighted it in yellow using the highlighting tool in Noteful. And then I wanted to just grab those parts, just grab the rectangle with that text, possibly the text as well, and put it into an org mode file so that I could update that and use it as my notes. So I wrote this very small Python program that uses PyMuPDF, which interestingly enough is installed as like pip install like PyMuPDF, but is imported as fits. Anyway, so all it does is it goes through it, looks for anything that's got these drawings. The highlighter in this case uses fill opacity of 0.5, so it's very easy to pull out those pages. And then it writes the images with a little bit of buffer, as well as the text to an org file. So let me show you how that works here. Python list highlights .py. I give it the name of the PDF, I give it the output, and it does its thing. And then theoretically, if I go to output index.org, I get this, which is not very helpful, but if you say org link preview, what do you mean it doesn't have anything in line? Do I not have the page 037? Oh yeah, it does. It should totally have it. Oh, wait. Toggle. I need to toggle all the images. Okay. Here we go. Control U. Org link preview. There's some like org toggle preview. What is it called these days? It used to be like. Anyway, it's there. I just had to call it with Control U. So Control U, org link preview shows the images, and it's there along with some guess of the text automatically extracted. So then I can take this and I can clean up my notes a little bit if I wanted to, but that's how I can get PDF highlights into org mode. I'm so excited. This means that I can read things on the iPad or use whatever, like if you have a tablet PC or whatever, you can highlight things using your regular highlighting tools instead of being limited to finding an app that will let you do proper annotations. I just add graphical markup to it and then get it into Emacs as text and images. So that's all I had for today. Super fast. Hi to people who dropped by. I'm doing this live to make myself actually do it, and then I don't have to worry about editing. But hi, Krister, and that's all I got for now because it is 7:44 in the morning. What am I doing? Sharing stuff on stream this early. Anyway, have fun. Bye. Oh yeah, I'm going to post this on my blog so that people can get to the source code for the